Alright guys, so here I just got done mowing my yard, getting ready to sharpen the blades on the mower, and I thought it was a good time to show you guys my lawn care setup for 2018. Alright, first we got the mower. It's a Z345R. Got it up on these ramps so I can get under there and take off the blades. Got my hedge trimmer, my still line here. Got an electric trimmer here that was given to me last year. Batteries inside charging. Saw. Got my push mower here with the bag. When I pull the mower in, I park it as close to this side as possible so that I can just pull this push mower straight out. And then my chainsaw, I'll come back to that. Got my weed whacker, my string trimmer, my leaf blower, my backup string trimmer. Got my dust mask, my goggles for mulching leaves. And yes, those are welding goggles to help keep the debris out. Now, for this, my grandpa actually gave me this toolbox. He just moved back up here from Florida, he and my grandma, and he gave me the toolboxes. So what I did was I put the top part on the ground so it doesn't fall off or anything, and then I drilled holes, 2 holes here and 2 holes on that side, put these brackets in, put some paracord around it, as well as rubber bungee strap, hold it in place. It's not going anywhere. I've been doing this for a little over a month now with it in there, and it hasn't moved a bit. The drawers sometimes come out or slide out like there, but it's really no big deal. And then I've got my gas cans, 2 more toolboxes, stuff. Got some sticks from a couple weeks ago. Got my ladder, my rakes and stuff over here, along with some my jacks, my weed sprayer, and my pressure washer and jack, and some extra oil, and my harness and stuff for if I have to get on roofs. This has a harness as well as a lanyard so I can get up there safer. So this week, it's the beginning of May. This week begins pressure washing. I've got 3 pressure washing jobs so far I've got to do. Right now, I only mow on Mondays and Tuesdays. I cram all my yards into those 2 days each week so that I've got the last 3 days of the week to be able to do other jobs like gutter cleaning, pressure washing, bush trimming, stuff like that. It's decent. It's still decent money. Some weeks I don't have those extra jobs, but I still make pretty good money on the yards I cram into those 2 days. So, and got a couple other lawn care companies here in town who I'm friends with that have been passing me some of their smaller clients that they people call them to get estimates or whatever, and the yards are just too small for them. And I actually like the small yards. They're bigger companies, so they like to stay on the big yards and get their money's worth. I'm just a solo operation, and I plan on staying that way for quite a while. I don't want to grow too big right now. Probably not until one of my kids get older and wants to help out and wants to go into business with me. Then I'll start thinking about, increasing the business and getting bigger jobs and stuff like that. But right now, with me being a solo guy, I don't want to hire anyone else to help me. I like to just be able to do it on my own. Don't have to worry about payroll, and at this point right now, being a solo guy, a sole proprietor with no employees, and since I don't have, the same amount of yards as the big companies, when filing taxes here in Illinois, since I meet underneath that requirement, I can file as a hobby rather than as a business, which is a higher tax bracket. So that's a plus too. So that's why I do what I do, why I stay as low as I can, as I am right now. I've been doing this 8 years so far, and I like it just the way I'm at, right where I'm at. Yeah, I could take on maybe a few more yards. I would like to maybe at some point get up to maybe 3 days a week, and then have the last 2 days for the extra stuff. But as I said, right now I'm still making a good living, so it's no big deal for me. So anyway, there's my lawn care business setup for 2018. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, get out there, enjoy the mow, and I'll see you next time, Lawntrepreneurs. Take care.